In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Asana. By the end of this walkthrough, you will be able to access your Asana workspace quickly and confidently, whether you're using your email or signing in with Google. Let's start from a fresh browser window. In the address bar or search bar, type Asana login and press enter. This is often faster than typing out the full web address, and it helps if you don't remember the exact URL. You should see search results related to Asana, including the official login page. In the results, look for the official Asana site. It will usually have asana.com in the link and mention logging in or signing in. Click on that result to go directly to the Asana login page. Taking a second to confirm the URL helps you avoid phishing sites and ensures you're entering your credentials on the real Asana platform. Once the Asana login page loads, you'll see a few options to get started. Typically, you'll have a Continue with Google button, and below that, a field where you can type in your email address. Choose the option that matches how your Asana account was created. If your organization uses Google accounts or you signed up with a Gmail address, click on Continue with Google. This will redirect you to a Google sign-in screen. If you prefer using your email or your Asana account is tied to a non-Google address, type that email into the field and click Continue. Make sure you enter the same email you used when you first created or received access to your Asana account, otherwise Asana may not recognize you. If you selected Continue with Google, you will now see Google's account chooser. Here, pick the Google account associated with Asana. If it's not listed, click to use another account and sign in with that email and password. Follow the on-screen prompts from Google, which may include entering your password, confirming your identity, or approving access so Asana can use your profile and email information. If you entered your email directly on the Asana page, Asana may ask you for your password next, or prompt you to continue using another method depending on how your account is set up. Simply follow each on-screen instruction, reading carefully before you click. Once you've completed the prompts, you'll be redirected back into Asana, and your workspace or projects will load. At this point, you're successfully